Next idea, systems. Parallel system, everything we've been doing until this point is in parallel system, meaning every time the leader moves his left, the follower is moving her right. Every time he moves his right, the follower is moving her left. But now, to change system, leader will do this. Side with the left, feet together, left again. We will lead our partner evacuate ocho. And here, right, feet together, right outside, back to parallel system. One more time. I recover the space. Side, feet together, left. Right, feet together, right outside partner. See, I have my partner on my right side. Finish with closing. Let's recover the space. And again, side. Change system here, meaning that I did my right before, my left before with my partner's right, but now it will be my left with my partner's left going backward. My right with my partner's right going backward. Now here I change back to parallel system. It will be my right with my partner's left. And I can close back in front of my partner. Let's recover the space. Let's do this to remember that idea. Side, feet together, left, right, feet together, right outside partner, and close and to recover the space. And now, again, side, left again, right, feet together, right again, close, and right together, right together, right together, and one more time. Change system. Here we change again. We are back in parallel system. Here I get in front of my partner. I am closing. And I go back with my right. And again, with my right. And again, with my right. And now we start the sequence again. Left feet together, left again. Right feet together, right again. Outside partner. My partner is here. I get in front of my partner. Close, and now let's recover the space, going backward with our sequence of right feet together, right feet together. And again, in cross system, backward ocho, in parallel system, outside partner, and then I close, and here I recover the space, back together, back together, back together. What the follower does, I will take my position on the other corner to use a space in the same way. Side, here it comes a pivot. Backward ocho, and now my partner is here, outside, he makes me close, and here let's do left together, and again, side, backward ocho, we exit, he makes me close, and again, left together, one more, and start again the sequence. Backward ocho, exit with your partner, outside partner, he gets back in front of you, let's close with the side step. And again, forward with the left, one more time, we are ready to go. Sideways, backward ocho, outside partner, we close, ready, left, and one more time, a nice backward ocho, outside partner, he comes back in front, we close.